esteemed Sri Ramoji Rao, Sri Anil Bokil, Srimati Ranjana Kumar, Dr. Bhargava, Dr. S.K. Rao, Chief Justice Lakshman Rao, Sri Padmanabhaya, Sri Vijay Ram Rao, Dr. Gandhi, very respected and distinguished invitees, ladies and gentlemen. The endorsement of Sri Ram Rao, he is a legend in his own lifetime, gives a new authenticity to this debate and to this subject, which is not a simple subject. The solutions that he has suggested admit of a great amount of introspection and debate. Long time ago, when the nuclear implosion took place, Einstein made a cryptic comment. He said, everything changed. Humanity needs to have new ways of thinking if it is to survive. Today, we need new ways of thinking if we have to survive. The book is a stimulating work. The ideas are very arresting. But we must know that if we have mere words in our ears, we think we have ideas in our head. The first part of the book deals with the current predicament of the Indian polity and Indian society. We have all the marks of a collapsed system, politically, socially, a collapsed system that we found in the pre-revolution era of France, of Soviet Union and China. Somebody said after the assassination of Abraham Lincoln that the era of giants was over and the political scene was peopled with charlatans, quick buck artists, and from the muddled mediocre to the dangerously deranged. That situation is not very different from what we see in contemporary political society. Ladies and gentlemen, things have come to a pass where the country's very existence, its freedom, its dignity, its place in the comity of nations are all being shaken. And in this beautiful, glittering function, the way in which you have assembled, the way in which Mr. Ramoji Rao, with his usual penchants for perfection, has arranged this meeting, gives an authenticity to the idea and an authenticity to the debate that will ensue. The order of things would be that I request Mr. Bokil to make a presentation. Thereafter, there will be a 45-minute interaction with the audience. You can ask questions, and thereafter, the three speakers will express their opinion about this idea. Thank you very much for your gracious presence. It's very important today that I have seen this from a ringside seat. I've seen before my own eyes all our dreams crashing down. All institutions have collapsed. And God knows how and where we get solutions from. And this idea, this is too simplistic, but it's very arresting. If the solution could be so simple, I think there's no problem at all. And is there no problem? Is the solution all right? Just imagine that 8 districts in 8 cities in India contribute 80% of the income tax. And you can imagine what an amount of numerically and financially this nation is under-assessed to income tax. 80% of it from 8 cities, mind you. There's a beautiful book, a friend of mine, an officer who got a note of appreciation for his work. He said, Making People Pay. There's a beautiful book. I commend it to the notice of Mr. Bokil. He has discussed many of these ideas. The thoughts have run parallel. I may now request Mr. Bokil to make his presentation. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, during the presentation, if some details on the screens are not clear, please go through the handbook given to you. The pictures shown in the handbook and the screens are the same. Thank you.
Good evening. Pranam. Myself, Anil Bokil. I introduce myself. I am R.K. Lakshman's common man who is really worried and in want of to escape how the dire situations are affecting my personal life. I really in want of that. I'm here to share not my brain stress but my heart pinch. I know this is the audience where I can share my emotions too. I am not from the discipline of finance or economics. In that virtue, I am really a common man. I am from engineering profession. Since last 14 years, when I was in a profession, we have to had a lot debate among our group. Most of my colleagues are here. Why the condition of my beloved nation, my beloved country is like this? Are we so rotten? Are we so corrupt? What we are looking around us, everything is collapsing. Every system is collapsing. Like a multi-organ collapse, multi-organ failure in a body. Are we really corrupt by character or nature itself? Is it? We Indians? But I don't see like it. We are the heritage to share a till in a 7 brotherhoods. So what happened actually? Why our hearts are sullen? What is happening? Why it is happening? This discourse is nothing but a simple sharing. I wish you all to add value addition in the concept, in the proposal itself. This kind of concept, what I am putting forward, This has been debated, this has been presented to many audiences since last 14 years. A long way. And I'm sure today's function will propel it like anything. I'm also aware about the eminent personalities here. They will take it to their hand. Thank you. Now, I proceed to my presentation. What we really observe, what is exactly missing in our country? Really, are we corrupt by our nature, all Indians? Why this country has been in such a mess and menace? Everybody is looking after the solution. Everybody is seeking a solution should come from where? From Western economies? From Western lifestyles? Another way, from our ancient philosophies. From where? The modern era, we all know. Now in a globalized era, there is no back way. Our vehicle is on the path, on the express highway, running over 140 miles per kilometer. There is no reverse gear immediately. We have to revisit our origins. We have to take a turn, not a reverse gear. For that also, we have to be aware for the cut, road cut, from where we can turn around. The problems where are? Are the problems in our character or in conditions? Are we responding to the conditions? That's why we are so corrupt. That's why we are adopting such corrupt practices. We have to revisit. We have to review. And in my view, I suppose, if you all become a sensible heart can, it may give answer. What we propose, what we see, I will show some analogies. This is actually my thought process. Because the language of analogies is a bit simple for me to understand the subject. The subject is so complicated, that is, I'm quite aware about how it can be demonstrated. I have not that erudite language to explain the subject, but I have a language of analogy with my. I wish that I will present it and will have your comment on. Arthakranti, how I see